All right, good morning, everybody. This is Thursday, June 9th of 2020. It's just about 8 minutes after the opening. We've broken below this area of support, and then we're making our way back. So I'm looking for, well, first of all, I'm looking for the market to fall all the way to the lower support, but currently I'm looking for it to get a bounce off of here and then make its way to lower support. So I'm actually kind of interested in taking a short here, depending on how things play out here. Yeah, so the market's moving pretty hard. All right, I'm gonna take this. So it's moving pretty hard, pretty volatile, I should say. So this is why I don't typically trade within the first half hour. And I definitely don't want anyone else just learning and brand new to try to trade in the first half hour, because a lot of things can go wrong real quick. And if you're not at the level where you can handle all the changes in direction, possible string of losses, the volatility, and you can come right back from that and continue trading, then this will be very disastrous trying to trade the first half hour. But yeah, I do believe we're making our way down. So I just wanted to record this trade so I can show you guys later. But we have pretty strong selling strength today. You know, if we look at all these big red candles, you know, this is all the way this whole morning, just huge red candles, big elephant. Some people call these elephant candles, just these humongous red things. So when we see that, and then we see that it broke below this support, you know, let me put this in perspective here. You know, this is a support level right here, right? So we see that it broke below, pulled back, and now it's making its way down. So, yep, so it pulled back right into support, which now turns resistance. So the next area I'm looking is I'm looking for it to bounce off the deeper support, and then probably try to catch a long trade off of that deeper support. But I will catch a short trade into that deeper support, so we can make money on the way down, and then we can make money on the way up. So we'll be watching for that. It's just one contract. I'm already at like $400. So I'm gonna bring our our target a little closer here. So we're at $500. Okay, good. So yeah, first trade of the morning, really nice. Once again, this is not recommended for people just starting out trading, but if once you're more comfortable, you can react to the market with quicker reaction time. things like that, then you can dabble in the first half hour, but still, it's not ideal for anyone starting out. So I wouldn't even think about it at the beginning until you build your confidence, you build your execution time, your read reaction time. But this was this trade that we just did. So this trade was a 839, 842. What is that? 3 minutes? 3-minute trade. So it didn't get out. Well, I exited around $500 profit. However, there's slippage. Slippage means you don't get the fill that you exactly want to get. When you get it, it just slips a little bit up or up above it or below it, and flipped a little bit below. Still a really nice profit, $487, and that converts to 9.75 points. It's an excellent trade. If you could pull anywhere close to 10 points, that's an excellent trade. And so yeah, first trade of the day, really nice. And honestly, this could be, if you ever pull in a trade like this, it's not a bad idea to just call it a day. Don't put yourself in any more stress or drama than you need to. This is an excellent profit for the day. And I just want to do this quick calculation. So there's 253 days in a trading year. So let's go 487 times 253 equals, hold on, let me do this calculation real quick. 487 times 253. 253, there's 253 trading days in a year. So if you averaged $487 each day, that'd be $123,000 per year. All right. And that's excellent. Majority of traders you'll ever meet likely don't even make half that in a year. Even traders who've been trading for many years. So my point in bringing this up is this is an excellent take home for the day total. And traders need to learn how to walk away with their profits more. And just remember, this is a marathon. So we're not here to try to make thousands and thousands of dollars every day. We're here to make our profit. We take it home, and then the next day do the same thing. Next day do the same thing. So we're after a yearly total. We're not after a daily total. Okay. And trading is not guaranteed, and it's not super easy either. So although this trade, we were able to pull in 487 quickly, that doesn't mean we'll be able to do that the next trade, or the trade after that, or the trade after that. So you have to be just appreciative, and not appreciative, but you have to be humble. And a lot of traders, that they see that, oh wow, I only traded 3 minutes, I made 487, so I want to go back, and for the next 3 minutes I'm going to double that, the next 3 minutes going to triple that. And that's just not how it goes. So, and you can see, look at that, where we exited, which is right here, that was the turnaround point. So, and this was our entry. So I always say high percentage entries plus high percentage targets equals winning trades. So that was a high percentage entry, a high percentage target. You know, although I was, from what I saw, I was forecasting that it was going to go all the way down to the deeper support. I didn't wait to take profits all the way. I took profits halfway there. And so that's a high percentage target, you know, halfway to your real target. And so we want to make sure we always leave with a profit. How do you do that? Take a high percentage target. All right. All the way to the target, that's a lower percentage chance it'll get there. That's what I mean by high percentage. High percentage means high percentage chance it will reach that point. So if I forecast it will go all the way here, then there's a high percentage chance it will go at least halfway there. That's the idea behind high percentage targets. But okay, that's about it for this, and I'll just wrap it up here.